Welcome back to Auto Reviews, and today we've got something absolutely shocking. The legendary Mercedes AMG G63 is back, and it's better than ever. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a status symbol, a performance beast, and an engineering masterpiece that continues to turn heads across the world. The Mercedes AMG G63 is a high-performance version of the iconic G-Class, originally developed as a military vehicle in the late 1970s. Over the years, it evolved into a luxurious and powerful SUV that blends off-road capability with high-end comfort. The AMG variant, introduced by Mercedes' performance division, AMG, transforms the rugged G-Wagon into a super SUV with mind-blowing specs. The invention of the G-Class dates back to 1979, when Mercedes-Benz, in collaboration with Steyr Daimler Puch in Austria, launched it for both military and civilian use. What began as a practical, boxy off-roader has become a symbol of wealth and power in modern culture, thanks to its timeless design and sheer performance. Today, the G63 AMG is most popular in countries like the United States, United Arab Emirates, Germany, and Russia. These markets adore its bold look, commanding road presence, and of course, that thunderous V8 roar. The US stands out as one of the top markets for this SUV, where celebrities, entrepreneurs, and car lovers can't seem to get enough of it. When it comes to performance, the latest Mercedes AMG G63 is jaw-dropping. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine that produces up to 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds, which is incredibly fast for a vehicle of this size. It's mated to a 9-speed AMG speed shift transmission that ensures power is delivered smoothly and precisely, whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. Despite being a performance SUV, the fuel efficiency isn't exactly its strong point, averaging around 13-15 liters per 100 kilometers. But let's be honest, nobody buys the AMG G63 for mileage. It's about presence, performance, and prestige. The G63's capabilities are unmatched in its class. It combines 3 locking differentials, low-range gearing, and a strong ladder frame chassis, making it an actual off-roader, not just a pretty face. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or cruising city streets, it handles both worlds with confidence and style. Some key features include the iconic boxy design, 22-inch AMG wheels, a luxurious interior with Napa leather, dual 12.3-inch digital displays, Burmester sound system, and the latest MBUX infotainment system. The exhaust note is also a signature feature, with a deep growl that announces its presence before it even arrives. In terms of pricing, the new Mercedes AMG G63 doesn't come cheap. In most markets, it starts around $180,000 and can easily exceed $200,000 with customizations. But for those who can afford it, it's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. What makes the G63 sell so well is its unique combination of luxury, performance, off-road ability, and cultural appeal. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether it's the Hollywood Hills or the Dubai Desert, the Mercedes AMG G63 remains a favorite among those who demand the best of everything. So yes, the shocking Mercedes AMG G63 is back, and it's more powerful, more luxurious, and more iconic than ever before. Stay tuned for more amazing reviews right here on Auto Reviews.